Have you recently received an email claiming to be from Hogan Lovells with a suspicious Google Drive link? If so, stop right there. This could be part of a dangerous phishing scam making the rounds. Many users have reported getting emails that appear professional but are actually designed to steal your personal or business information. These emails often trick you by pretending to be urgent or important, but the file they want you to click on is a trap. It may seem legit, especially with the Hogan Lovells name attached, but here's the truth. If it's not coming from an official hoganlovells.com or a hoganlovells.com email address, it's fake. There's no genuine document or opportunity waiting for you, only a risk to your data and privacy. Some people have speculated that this scam is targeting the 3D printing or tech community specifically, but new reports suggest it's much broader, affecting individuals and companies in various fields. What makes this even more concerning is how convincing the emails look. The scammers are clearly putting effort into making them believable. The best move? Never click unknown links, avoid opening any files unless you're sure of the source, and immediately report any suspicious messages to information security at hoganlovells.com. While this situation isn't completely out of control, it's spreading fast enough to warrant real caution. So take a second to double-check your inbox, warn others, and always verify before you engage. Stay alert online, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more updates like this that could protect you before it's too late.